How to spin the cricket ball? How to grip the ball as a spinner? It's simple. The seamer bowls with a vertical seam to the batsman like this, and the spinner bowls with a horizontal seam to the batsman. As an off spinner, how would you grip the ball then? The finger position, let me tell you. The middle joints of index finger, this is the middle joint of the index finger, middle joint of the middle finger, and the middle joint of the third finger. This is the middle joint. The middle joints of the index finger, middle finger, and third finger are well spread across the seam. The little finger and thumb are not involved in its rotation. Let me simplify the grip. You are just holding the ball like this in an in-swinger, the seam pointing to the fine leg. Turn the seam to horizontal and spread your fingers across so that the middle joints of the index finger, middle finger, and the third finger are spread wide across the ball, and take the thumb closer to the index finger like this. This becomes an off-spinner grip. When you off-spin the ball, you impart a clockwise rotation. When you are about to release the ball, you impart a clockwise rotation with your wrist and fingers. That is an off-spinner. If you are a right arm off spinner, the ball is rotated clockwise with your fingers as the ball is released from your hand, almost like turning a doorknob as you release it from the front of your hand. When you bowl, you should aim to bowl the ball outside the off stump as an off spinner. If you bowl too close to the stump, the batsman may dispatch your ball to the boundary on the leg side. What is a leg spin grip? The leg spin grip is almost similar to the off spin grip, like this. But here you give an anti-clockwise rotation as you bowl the ball. But when you bowl, you do it from sideways. You do it from sideways like this. Sideways, turning the wrist and your fingers in an anti-clockwise direction. So when you bowl it from sideways and make your wrist and fingers roll over the ball to spin it more and land it about 6 feet before the popping crease. If you land it too short, the batsman will pull it away to mid-wicket or long on for a boundary. Of course, there will be variations in the grip as you practice longer and learn to disguise the batsman with more varieties. Nowadays, the spinners too are bowling quicker and flatter with a lower trajectory in T20 games, as the batsman can hit them freely for sixes if they flight the ball more. But on a turning wicket, even in T20s, it has been proved in IPL 8 by Piyush Chawla that a flighted ball is more dangerous than a ball bowled on a flatter or lower trajectory. The simplest way to flight the ball is to have some string across the net, tied, and try to bowl the ball consistently over that string, over the level of that string. Bowl over the string and aim at the stumps every time, landing the ball on a good length spot. Flighting the ball means you give more air to the ball and release that in a loop towards the batsman, tempting him to come forward and drive the ball. In the process, if he misses the ball, he would get out stumped by the wicket-keeper. The term flighted delivery is often used to describe a delivery that is bowled slightly slower with a higher trajectory. This is seen as an aggressive tactic for spin bowlers. It requires constant practice, and you should enjoy bowling spin at the nets for hours to the batsman, deceiving him in flight. Also, in a flighted ball, if the batsman could not time his shots, it will take the edge of the bat for an easy catch to the waiting fielders. Also, if you mistime your strokes, it will loop in the air, giving more time to the fielders to take an easy catch. If you develop the art of flighting, it is a dangerous weapon in your hands to get wickets. Team India Irapalli Prasanna and Bishan Singh Bedi of yesteryears were the masters of flighting the deliveries to deceive a batsman. Shane Warne as a leg spinner used to flight the ball more. Anil Kumble used to bowl nipping deliveries that will rise sharply from a good length to trouble the batsman more. He bowled deadly googlies. You will remember that Anil Kumble has taken all the 10 wickets against Pakistan in the second innings of the second test with Pakistan in February 1999 at Ferozshah Kotla ground, which India won by 212 runs. Harbhajan Singh, an off spinner, also flights the ball. Piyush Chawla, the leg spinner, also flights the ball more, and you can watch him in IPL. If you get a chance to watch their videos, you can develop into a very good spinner. The idea behind these videos is to spread cricket in rural areas too, where the net and cricket pitch facilities are not available and where you want to practice on a plain ground to develop your skills. It is my desire that sports be added as a subject in the school curriculum too, to develop talented cricketers and other sportsmen in the country. The student should also be asked to familiarize himself with at least one sport and play it too. Good luck. Good luck. Thank you.